Union Minister for Tribal Affairs Arjun Mandal, in his inaugural address at the G20 meeting, stressed the need for just and equitable development of all. President Draupadi Murmu will grace the valedictory section of the 17th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention and confer Pravasi Bharatiya Saman Awards today in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Uttarakhand government has decided to demolish unsafe buildings at Joshimath. The 26th National Youth Festival will be held in the twin cities of Hubballi, Dharwad in Karnataka on the 12th to 16th January. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate the National Youth Festival 2023 on the 12th of January. Bollywood film Kashmir Files has been shortlisted for Oscar 2023.